Hi, today I'm gonna prepare my food for next week. I have been to the supermarket, and as you very well know, if you are also living on your own, buying food in supermarket, it's not very easy because everything is bagged. For me, it works very well. Buy my food once a week and I prepare it, store it, and I have always something in my freezer or in my fridge that's ready to eat. That way I can minimize waste and I can utilize the vegetables I have. But first thing I started, I washed all my vegetables and I cut it to even sizes and I portion it. Start by washing. Now my vegetables are all washed. I'm ready to blanch them. I put it in the water because what you need to do is to stop your vegetables from boiling. It needs to be ice cold. I do like this. These are plastic. I use it over and over again. Blanching water you can use up to 5 times. I like to keep the skin on my vegetables. The important thing is that it has the same size. I blanch my haricot verts for 2 minutes and I stop them from boiling. They are going into ice cold water. And now my asparagus goes in for 3 minutes. When these are cold, I dry them and I freeze them. What I don't eat today, I freeze. When we are living on our own, we never know if we are going to get invited out. But you need to dry it well, especially if you're freezing them. Before I started, I set my freezer to minus 20 because I want it to be frozen fast. This is perfect to do when you have your favorite podcast. Listen to your podcast and doing cooking. My asparagus, and now my broccoli is going. And I have portioned everything so it's 2 minutes each. So you can do like this. Easier to take up. Now my asparagus. And now my carrots. Now you can use this broccoli for your salad, raw in your salad, or you can freeze it, or you can steam it. These are all going into my fridge. I'm gonna have it the next 2 days. The 2 minutes count from the water is boiling again. Now all my vegetables are blanched. I just portioned this, put it where I want it. I'm gonna freeze it right away. This was blanching my vegetables for next week, and if I don't have time to eat it, I can use it the next 8 months. When I cut onion, I like to have different sizes. This is good to sprinkle in my salad, not so thick. This is bigger. This is good if you fry something over egg, and this is very good if you want to put it in, if you want to bake something. When you prepare your vegetables, even sizes is very important because that decides how long time it needs to be prepared. This is a delicious, you can fry it on a pan also, just with a little bit of oil and some salt on it. When you buy your vegetables in season, the taste is amazing. And you only need some salt, pepper, olive oil. It tastes delicious. You can bake this in the oven also. 10 minutes with some salt and pepper. I try to get as much apple I can. These are from my garden. Melis lemon. And some mint. Squeeze a lemon over it. This I use on top of my cakes, dessert. This I use in my salad. Gives fresh to my meal. I love this. If you like it sweet, you can put honey in it. This is food for my next week. I have my salad in the cold water. My potatoes I have washed and dried. These are my leftovers. I will use it in a chicken stock. I have stock from chicken, pepper and olives. So this is ready to be stored in my fridge.